If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. So today I'm just here with a new video. We finally got a speaker, a system to be precise. So I bought this one, the one that my pocket could manage. So I want to unbox with you guys. Forgive me if my voice is not that loud. New siku, and I don't want to do this thing in the morning because I'll be doing other things. So guys, do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, watch out how it looks like. Finally nimeinunua. So nimelipia mdogo mdogo. But I'm so happy. So let's unbox it together, okay? So this is how it looks like. So there's this card. I don't know, it will mean one number. So let us move. Okay. So it comes with this remote. Nadhani iko na battery. It doesn't have. So na find it buy. Naenda kubuy tu saa hii nje because I want to start using it. Okay? Then there's this. Kuna hii ya kufix. Then I don't know what this is for because even I didn't ask. But kuna hii ya kufix, ya kuweka kwa socket. Then there's off and off. And I think this one ya plug maybe TV and other things. I don't know. So you see, it's still new. It's still new. So wacha tuweke. So this one, there are two of them. The first one looks like this. You're gonna pair plug kunyuma. So let me just remove one. See. Malisa Pichito. Look at it. I'm so satisfied with the way. And then kuna here. So this one, the fact that nitakoneka chini. Okay? So that's how it looks like. I'm so impressed with this one. Ish, look at that black. So I hope it will serve me for a long time because I'm not planning to get this another speaker very soon. On another plans by the way. So there's also this one. So there are two of them. So nikifix, I'll insert the video obviously. Na fix side. Hey guys, so I'm done fixing it. This is how it looks like. So nimewasha tu. I haven't put my USB, but I'll put it in the morning. So yeah, even the speakers zangu ziko, my two speakers and this one. So let's meet on the next video guys. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Okay? Thank you.